Just to give you some context about the overall webinar series. So as David said, this is the third in a series of 5. And we're really exploring the why, the what, and the how of smart towns. In the first webinar, we actually looked at the question of why create a smart town. So we started to get some of the concepts and started to examine some of the challenges, especially around societal and economic challenges it would help us with. And we also had some examples from Cardiff and from Aberdeen of where they've set quite a clear vision, but they've actually done some really practical projects and that have had real impact in that regard. In the second masterclass, we started on the journey of what makes a smart town and looked at aspects of the socio-spatial data of a town and what it can help us understand about the personality of that town, if you like. A company called Space Syntax took us through some of the tools to help us to be able to look at areas of spatial risk and really improve the design and the management of place. Dr. Sharon Richardson took us to the next level and a stage further in looking at real-time data traces and how they can help us understand the heartbeat of a town over the course of a day and other timeframes. And maybe actually started to look at the power of social media for businesses and the relationship between social media and physical presence on the high street, which is really important for recovery. So both of those sessions have been recorded and they're available for catch up on the Mentamon YouTube channel. So we're very much looking forward to today's session where we hear more about the why of smart towns and some detail on IoT and data and how that can be useful going forward. Thanks.